Welcome back, sir. Configuring the lab with default settings. Systems are fully operational.
Darling, you got to let me know. Should I stay or should I go? If you say that you are mine, I'll be here till the end of time. So you got
Hey Jarvis, start a 23-minute timer.
Should I stay or should I go? It's always tease, tease, tease.
Timer started for 23 minutes.
Hey Jarvis, is there any chance of rain tomorrow?
Yes, there is a chance of rain tomorrow with a forecast for light rain.
Sounds good. Can you record a note for tomorrow to bring an umbrella?
Note recorded, bring an umbrella for tomorrow.
Hey Jarvis, I'm gonna start soldering. Can you turn Pixar's brightness to 100%?
Sir, your timer is complete.
Sounds good, Jarvis. Begin shutdown.
Commencing shutdown, sir.